back to my channel. I'm so happy that you stopped by. In today's video, I'm gonna show you all how I prepped for hosting guests at our home. Like my uncle and aunt visited us from Switzerland last week, so I want to share that process with you all. Alright friends, first of all I started cleaning the two bathrooms thoroughly. Usually when it comes to cleaning the bathroom, guest toilets, I mainly use glass cleaner and kitchen paper towels along with a calcium remover, because in Germany in the water we have a lot of calcium sediments on the surfaces. I wanted to include this mango wooden tray which I purchased a couple of years ago in the washroom, and also this hand soap which I purchased in TK Maxx. You would have seen in my previous video. I wanted to include a spray, a disinfection spray as well. And I wanted to refresh the space by switching the hand towels. Then it was time to tackle the bedroom. So I removed all our old covers and little bit cleaned the surface around, and then I added some new duvet covers and bed covers as well. After adding all the covers, which is suiting for summer season with some flowers on it, and I wanted to little bit add a coastal and summer vibe in the bedroom. And also I added these throw pillows to give a little bit of a visual interest and to give a guest house feeling. I wanted to add a basket with all the essentials for our guests. So I purchased these two body shampoo shower gel in TK Maxx. And also I wanted to incorporate hand cream, some bubble gum and some wipes and etc. which is needed for in the hand. As the final product, I wanted to add some sweet little touch of baked goods. And for the side table, I little bit wanted to add a coastal touch, so I picked this light blue coastal vibe candle, flower arrangement and water to drink. And finally, for a good smelling room, I add this room scent. Finally, I kept the towels needed for them, and I picked the colors which goes with the coastal vibe, because we have this beautiful picture which we thrifted. And for the living room, I wanted to add these fresh flowers to give some life to the space, not adding some artificial. Instead of that, I purchased these beautiful fresh flowers to give a summer vibe in the living room. Also, I added these neutral colored kitchen towels to our kitchen to refresh the space. And finally, Finally, to entertain our guests, I thought to make a delicious chocolate cake. I will link down the recipe which I found in YouTube. It turned out really delicious. They really enjoyed in the tea time having a cup of tea with the delicious chocolate cake piece. We took our guests around Munich to some nice places. For example, this aquarium and the Olympia Tower and several other places. They really enjoyed the stay. They enjoyed the bedroom. They said they felt like they are in a guest house. So I was so happy. And thank you, friends, for taking your time to watch my video. I hope you would have enjoyed and got some inspiration for you as well. So till I meet you in another video, bye bye.